Welcome back to another video. As you guys noticed, we haven't been on the channel for quite a while. We did get the Rona about 3 or 4 weeks ago. So at the beginning of this year, we did get sick. Now we're back almost 100%. We're not contagious anymore, so we wear a mask, take precautions. Anyways, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. We got the Troy built $199. And then we got the push mower for $239, so 21-inch push mower. And then we have this push mower for $279. A lot of these are different models, guys. Some of them have bags, some of them don't. Some of them are just side discharge. It says mulch, bag, and self-propelled. And then they got this line in, which is it's not a new line, but you know, they pretty much redid their whole line. The Toro brand from 60 volt. Blower for $169. And they got the kit, or that's a kit for $279 with a chainsaw. It's a 16-inch bar and chain. And we got the string trimmer for $199. And that they got the mower there for $399. That is the self-propelled 60 volt mower. It says power without compromise. As you guys see, you get up to 45 minutes of runtime, which is not a lot. A lot of mowers now are 60-minute runtime, so just depends on what brand you get. You got the string trimmer and the blower combo for $249. Or you could just buy the string trimmer or the blower by themselves. So $99 for this 13-inch. It is corded, so just to let you guys know, if you got a small yard, you could probably get away with the 13-inch. If you got a medium yard, I wouldn't touch these. I will stay away from those and get something like this 20-inch 40 volt $399 self-propelled. So definitely stay away with the smaller stuff, or you know, if you got a medium-sized yard. $299, you got the blower and string trimmer combo. So not a bad deal. 20 volt max cordless lithium ion. And the thing that I didn't like about this setup is that they had the box on the bottom. They should have cut the box below, so you could at least look at the blower on the box. You could just, on this one, you just see the string trimmer. So $34.97 for this 2-gallon sprayer, which I think it's a little overpriced just because it's Dewalt. And then they have this backpack sprayer. It's a 4-gallon. A lot of these are a little bit overpriced just because it's the Dewalt brand, but it's the same rebranded from other brands that we had from before. And we have this blower, so $199 for the brushless blower with 1 5-amp-hour battery and charger. So pretty much for the kit. And then they had this one for $149. You got the tool only, or you got actually both of these are tool only. One of these is a better model than the other, by the way. $14.99 for the Dewalt string trimmer, or the line 0.08. So usually on these, if you have like a 20 volt or a 40 volt, you'll need the 0.08 or the 80, whatever you want to call it. And then they have the mower right there, the Dewalt mower for $299. Got the blower for $299, the blower kit. It is all these are 60 volt, just to let you know. So that's a 60 volt blower. And a lot of these are not very powerful as in other brands. Most of the Dewalt brands are pretty powerful. Usually you want to go, I would definitely go at least 400 CFM, 350 CFM, the least amount. So 239, this one's a clearance. It's a 60 volt 15-inch string trimmer. Flex volts. And 199 for this one, 14-inch. I believe it's the kit. 499 for the self-propelled mower. This is the new mower, 21.5-inch deck. 399 for the push mower. So with 2 batteries, and then 199 for the power head with the 8 amp hour string trimmer. Well, not really the power head, but you know, the quick lock with the 8 amp hour. 159 for the blower, so you guys see there. So most of these is, if you guys see the what Home Depot did, most of these are just yard tools, outdoor power tools, and they're promoting this real like a lot. So most of the front the store, all of it is power, nothing but power, outdoor power tools. So 229 for the rocket light there, which is a little expensive if you just want to buy it. I would just definitely wait for a sale that they have. Got the Milwaukee string trimmer there for 249, and then they got the fan for 89 bucks. And then they got this 8-inch cordless pole saw, 149, which is not a bad deal. If you're already on the battery platform, why not? So 129 for this 22-inch trimmer, like an edge trimmer. And then this one's one of the newer ones, 20 volt max cordless power cleaner, 149. Probably the same as the Ryobi, a little bit more powerful, but still, it's not. Don't expect this to be a pressure washer. This is just for light duty cleaning use, light duty cleaning. And they got the backpack 4-gallon sprayer for 99 bucks. If you guys don't know, Ryobi and Milwaukee do have a battery operated backpack, so I would definitely go for that if you have a bigger yard or a bigger property. And they had this kit here, which is weird. Didn't have any prices or anything, so they might do like a buy one get one free. That's an 8 amp hour and a rapid charger. That's the blower combo. They got the blower and the string trimmer combo for $249 with the 6 amp hour battery. So, well, actually, that wasn't the combo. That was just the string trimmer. This is the combo for $399. Fuel quick lock. So that's it right there for that. Then we got the radio, the job site radio for $149, and then we have the rover, the floodlights. And that's the light right there, the rover lights. I don't know why they put the radio. They should have just put them side to side. Easier to see the radio, like the lights, like way down there. $299 Ryobi 40 volts, 6 amp hour, 20-inch push mower. Then they had this Ryobi blower for $149. So they had the blower for $149 with the 4 amp hour, and they got the string trimmer for $149. They got a lawnmower for $269. That's a lawnmower right there. That's a 16-inch lawnmower, which is fairly small. It's not that big. And then they got the edge trimmer for $149. I believe it's the kit. It says right there. And then they got the scrubber for 99 bucks. So 18 volt power scrubber. Which is, I think it's a little pricey, but you know, it's one of the newer tools. Always going to be a little bit more pricey. And then they got that blower there for 149. And then they had this this drill and circular saw for 129. And they got drill driver and impact driver for 139. They still have these around. They're not selling quite well. So $9.97 for the .095 string line, like a string trimmer line. Then they had this Milwaukee. This was .95 times 250 feet. So I would definitely stock up on this if you have a big yard, if you're going to be doing a lot of the string trimming around your yard. And then they had this space for the 4-gallon backpack sprayer, $2.99. This is the switch tank. This is one of the newer tools that they have. Well, not necessarily this year, but they were released last year, which is a good price. So $1.99 for this high output 8 amp hour kit. Then they had the power cleaner there. Yeah, a lot of people don't like this because they were expecting a power washer, but you know, it's not a power washer, it's a power cleaner. Then they had this like electronic, like a foam, not a foamer, 119 for the cordless string trimmer and blower combo. I would definitely stay away from this. This is completely like for somebody that has really small yard. And then they got the Try Me station here with all the blowers and string trimmers and stuff like that. And that's the string trimmer for that's the line for the string trimmers. A .80 or the .065. Then you got the jet fan blower for 129. Like I said, every time you're buying a blower, you gotta watch out for the CFM. 200 CFM is not a lot, so definitely stay away from that. 129 for the 10-inch cordless chainsaw. Pretty self-explanatory. It's a chainsaw. It will cut. $69.97 for 10-inch string trimmer edger. So like I said, this is mostly for home use, a smaller yard. They got a Makita 4 amp hour kit, $279. And they got the chainsaw for $199, and then the blower for $129. So, and then they had this clearance, which they didn't have any of these available. It's a 3-pack 3 amp hour batteries for $119, which is a great price if you're on the Milwaukee platform. And they had this cordless edger for $129. And they had the string trimmer and the blower combo, $279. So you just gotta pretty much stay with the platform you're on. This is a really nice mower for $4.99. It is a dual battery, so it works with 2 batteries, and it is professional grade. So if you're on the Milwaukee or Makita platform, definitely check this out. And then you got some more deals here from Makita. Some battery deals. They're still running these deals. They haven't sold out. So they still have a few. I'm pretty sure they're going to take these down. So. And they had the reciprocating saw, $119. Circular saw. Here's the other reciprocating saw. And they got the speaker for $119. And they got the compact screwdriver and impact driver. And then $229 for the string trimmer and jet fan blower. That's for 125 CFM, so that's a good one right there. That's something you want to look at every time you're buying one. especially if you have a big yard. You got a chainsaw, 14-inch cordless chainsaw, $199. And you got a jet fan blower for $159. Like I said, you gotta look at the CFM, $525. $13.97 for the replacement pre-cut line, .095 and .080, which is a little pricey because it's pre-cut. $159 for the 15-inch string trimmer. They got two different packaging, maybe an older packaging. I will say the green one's the new one, the gray one's the older packaging. But yeah, it is a 15-inch string trimmer, 40 volts. And then they got this same as on the other side, no price. And they got the pressure washer, $199. I do have this pressure washer, works really well, especially for small jobs. If you're washing your truck or your vehicle, it works great. I got the pressure washer hose, 35 feet, at $39.97. As a matter of fact, I gotta buy one of these. The hose that comes with the pressure washer it's too narrow, it's too small basically. It's only about 15 feet, I believe. And they got this pressure washer 2,900 psi, 2.5 gallons per minute, $299. It's a gas pressure washer. You know, a lot of these pressure washers have Honda engines, so you just gotta make sure you're getting a good engine with that. You got this electronic of fogger. That's what they are, foggers. $349. It's a little pricey, especially because of what's going on right now. But if you need it, you need it, I guess. And that's another new pressure washer that they have for $199, 2,000 psi. And that's it, guys, for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. Like I said, excuse my voice. I'm not 100% yet, but I will be getting there. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.